video, share your views, comment, my dear, share everything.
Basically, I'm coming to create a very simple look, easy and preparing to work, and you also want to look very natural and look good to work. So sorry I did my eyebrows off camera, but if you want me to do a tutorial on how I came up with this brows, you can comment below and I'm going to the video for you guys because I'm here for you. Interaction with me physically, get to know what goes on in the makeup process and all that too. Don't forget to call me on 0247 608632.
The product I'm going to use in this video has been used for a year. It's not like a month that I'm going to recommend to you. And also I sell beauty products too. So if you want to go to the market and buy a fake product, you can also DM me as well and I'll order for you and you get it at your doorstep. And let's get started. So before that, I already prepared my face. Get it for the makeup. I've already prepped my face, but I didn't
face to it, so I'm going to do that so that you also know that before you apply your foundation to your makeup, you have to prime your face. So I'm going to use Mary Kay foundation primer. This video is for you and this process is for you. I mean, it's for you. You get what I'm saying? It's for you, okay? Don't ignore it, it's for you. So you pick a bit to your neck so that it matches with it. Pick up my second foundation for this one because it's already a tube. I just make sure I don't press too much on my face, just a little. And I begin to tap into my face a bit. Favorite brush that I'm using to apply my foundation. To blend my foundation, I normally spray my brush so it wets my face a bit so that it gives a very smoothless blending. Like what to use is from LA Girl Pro Setting High Spray. So there's like a finishing spray, but normally I use it for my foundation process to blend the foundation on my face. Just watch closely. Watch. 0247608632. I'll leave my number below, and for any other service in terms of engagement, you're done. And when you're done blending, make sure that every part is blended well before you move to the next step, so you don't miss some parts. Make sure it's blended very. Don't forget to always pick your shade. Oh, don't go and pick your dark, you go and pick a fair color, please. So sure to, you can as well DM me, we talk about it.